What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good afternoon, and welcome to another video on Litecoin. A crypto I covered quite a lot over the last week and over the last couple of days because we were very strong. And compared to other cryptos, we are still very strong. We're actually recovering quite well right now. After, of course, and I'm not going to talk too much about that. One reason is because I think most of you know about it. Second reason is I've talked about it a lot in the last few days, but it's obviously this whole move was because of the FTX drama. I do want to say that Litecoin, I mean, it's compared to other cryptos, it has been strong. We're still at the same, we managed to hold the same support levels as we did in that whole consolidation between September and October. And we're still at those levels right now. Most cryptos are lower. Now, obviously, that's because of the bullish momentum we got. Not sure why we got that. Some said the Litecoin halving, even though it's like 3/4 of a year away or like 2/3 of a year away, I think something like that. But altogether, just very strong. Probably institutions buying up, whales buying up. Just, yeah, I mean, Litecoin is, well, first of all, a veteran. And it's also a very relatively stable crypto. It's an old one, so it's very well distributed, and it's safe. All right, it has been around for all this time without a hack or anything. It's safe to store your funds here in a bear market, relatively at least. It will drop down, but not as much. So purely technically seen, if you take a look at Litecoin right now, you can see that we're struggling with around $54. But we took a support at $52, so it looks likely that we'll break above that and get towards 56 and 57 again. So some more recovery. And then, I mean, obviously, if like FTX goes bankrupt, Litecoin will also drop down again to $50 and probably down to 48 and 46 again. It's a strong crypto, but it's not that strong that it could sustain something like that. But the most important thing right now, and the main reason why I wanted to make this video, is some other fundamentals. So yes, even more fundamentals. We already knew about this beginning of this week, but obviously we didn't know how this week would unpack. The big fundamental today is that in about, well, probably when you're watching this video, we will have gotten the CPI and the inflation rate of the US. That's going to be very important. Basically, if it's higher than expected, most of you probably know, but if it's higher than expected, that's bad. If it's lower than expected, that's good. So if it's higher than expected, I actually expect us to like drop down immediately down to $50. And I think it's too much to ask to hold that level. I think we'll drop down to 48 and like 47 as well. If it's higher than expected. If it's lower than expected, I think we can actually like get a boost in this bullish momentum and get all the way up to $58. Now, breaking above that would be amazing. But I think like given the other fundamentals we have, which are still very bearish, it's a little bit too much to ask for. So I think it's more likely that we'll kind of stay here then and then afterwards follow the market. But at least it would be some more recovery and some more bullish momentum throughout the entire market, which is, well, definitely something that would be very welcome right now, I think, for most of us. So that's my take on Litecoin, like especially given the news we're getting, but also a little bit more in general. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, take care and bye.